Hello guys and assalamu alaikum. My name is Asila Dil and welcome back to channel The Pro Gamers. So guys, in life as we move further the stages will get tougher. So guys, the same situation is happening with me as we have to go through all the stages. We don't care how much tough is them. Okay, so guys, like this we are playing Temple Run, and as the parts are coming to end and guys, there are still a lot of characters which are not unlocked. So guys, first turn is for Barry Bones, and guys, today he has to take as much coins as he can. In the last video the target was entirely different, that he has to pretend the coins, but today he has to take the coins. Okay, so guys, now the match starts in 5 4 3 2 1, and here we go guys, match has been started. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna remind you again, I have made a playlist of Subway Surf and Temple Run, but I want to tell you that Temple Run parts are incomplete, so I have to add those in playlists. Okay, so guys, Guy Dangerous took 43 coins in 16,000 run. He's working very hard, so he has to take as much coins as he can, because guys, these types of targets will not only entertain you but also help me to unlock my characters, as I have to unlock EZ, Colonel Lee and all of the characters guys, because there are 6 characters in Subway Surf. I could also hack and then unlock all characters, because I know how to hack Subway Surfers. But guys, I am a person who just want to pass everything from my own skill, not from hacking or anything else. Okay, so guys, as these are my first videos, this is just beginning guys of games. You might be surprised at what am I saying guys. I have completed 20 parts of Subway Surf. I made a lot of videos guys, but as I'm saying, these are the first parts guys, because there are thousands of more games that we have to play. And guys, soon we are planning to launch a trailer. In the next video we will have Khizr. He will tell you all about that trailer. Well guys, now let's come back to the game. 346 and now 352 and now 367 coins collected. That is brilliant. Well guys, I just wanna say that Guy Dangerous is performing quite well, and he should maintain this, because guys, if he wins this match, this will be a 3 in a row and he will be a legend player. So guys, he has the best chance. He can become a legend player in the first 10 parts by just winning these 3 matches, as these are the important matches and these will have a lot of importance for the player development. Okay, so guys, let's talk about now WCC 3. Do you like it? Because I love it. However, this is a lot of hard, but still there is only beta version of it. You can see the videos of a lot of gamers who are saying that the test cricket has arrived, but it hasn't arrived yet. And guys, the best feature in WCC 3 is the women's cricket, but you know what, it is unlocked for beta, it says. So I do not know about it, but let's see. And guys, in RC20 I'm thinking and planning to do live streams, but then I think that as I have to also take intros, so I am still confused. In short, I have no words. Okay, so guys, let's come back to the topic. What a run guys, 4 lakh run. Well done Guy Dangerous. Guys, this is the best character in front of my eyes, because look at how well he ran. Well guys, as you know, ad will come here, so let me pause the video and then we will continue. Okay, so guys, welcome back. As there was problem of Temple Run, it just goes to the missions and we cannot go to the store, so these types of problems were happening. So guys, we will not go to store directly, as it takes a lot of time. I have selected now Scarlet Fox. First I selected in front of you guys, because now of the problems I didn't. Okay, so guys, turn for Scarlet Fox, and the target that she has to achieve is 4,85,371 to become the best player. In the last match, Scarlet Fox was eliminated, and guys, we will soon show you the bar graphs of Temple Run Subway in the end of the running games. So guys, then you can also tell me that who is the best player in front of me and in front of you. Well, in front of me, it will not be compulsory, but in front of you, as your voice also matters, will be very compulsory. So okay, so guys, let's come back to the topic. Now it's time for the Scarlet Fox. So now the match starts in 3, 2, 1, and we will see the match started, and now it has been started, guys. Well guys, Scarlet Fox has to do well, because if she doesn't do well, it means that she will be the last or the second last. And guys, now the war is between Scarlet Fox and Barry Bones, guys, because both have no competition, as the guy Dangerous is coming at first. He just have to win this match to become the best player of these three guys, and then guys, in the last 3 or 4 players, then the best will perform with the best, as the guy Dangerous has been selected for the best. And guys, in the 10th he will be confirmed. So now guys, the 10th part is also most interesting. Also watch the 10th part. And guys, I have changed my mind. First I thought that I should do live streams, but as guys, there is also school work, so I will not get time. So I will make videos and then I will upload them in simple. And guys, there are gonna be a lot of videos, a lot of fun, a lot of enjoyment, a lot of lucky draws, a lot of things. And guys, only what we want from you is just 3,000 subs in this year. Will you help me go it? I would be very thankful to all of you guys. Okay, so guys, let's come back to the topic. Scarlet Fox is performing quite well from that guy Dangerous. Okay, so guys, that was a mistake, and her run is 2k 820, so it means 2,820. And guys, coins are of 333. I did not counted the correct coins for Guy Dangerous because I didn't got time. Okay, so now guys, let us go to an ad. Hello guys, now it's turn for the Barry Bones to show his talent. Guys, I did not estimated the correct coins of Guy Dangerous, but as I think so that he has took a lot of coins in 400 to 500 limits. And guys, Scarlet Fox I counted 333 guys. So now Barry Bones should do 334 coins to win from Scarlet Fox. And guys, he also have to do a lot of run, and guys, run also matters. Coins will matter only 25% in the first match, and in the 10th game the coins will collecting a lot of coins will matter. So guys, it's now turn for Barry Bones to show his talent. Let's see what will happen. So right now Guy Dangerous prediction is 97%. Let's see, will Barry Bones be able to achieve the target of any one of these, Scarlet Fox or Guy Dangerous? Let's see. And if guys, this match has been won by Guy Dangerous, then guys, I will say that the Guy Dangerous is really dangerous. Well guys, now the match starts in 3, 2, 1, and the match has been started, guys. Okay, so guys, as Urdu commentary, I want to tell you that I will do Urdu commentary in Shooting Game Season 2 and also in PSL. I will do Urdu commentary because guys, I also like to do Urdu commentary, but as I am settled in English for the running games, only for the running games guys, because Shooting Game Season 1 is also fulfilled of English as Sniper 3D and others. Okay, so guys, that was an early crash. That was a seriously worst mistake. And guys, Barry Bonds is the lowest in the order. So what a shame, guys, this is. So in short, guys, Barry Bonds failed to achieve both target. Okay, so let's go in the front menu. Well, guys, I think so. Okay, so guys, welcome back. And guys, sorry that if I did not enjoyed you a lot in this video, guys. Actually, I turned off Wi-Fi, and guys, I want to also recommend you to turn off Wi-Fi if you are, annoyed of these types of ads. Do you know how did I knew it? There was a problem of Wi-Fi in my house. So guys, from this I understand it that when you turn off the Wi-Fi and if you start the recording or if you play even on your own the Temple Run, so guys, the ad will not come as the net will be not on. But when you will connect the net, the ads will come. And so guys, this is the recommendation for you to follow if you like. Okay, so guys, this is also gonna bring the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe to our channel. And guys, for our legend player Barry Bonds as well. And now guys, tomorrow no Barry Bonds. First I was thinking to include the Barry Bonds, but now what do you think? Please comment me early because I will make this video. And guys, I recommend that the next match should be between Scarlet Fox and Barry Bonds. The main reason is because these two are the lowest in the orders. And guys, the person who will win this match will be the second, and who loses the match will be third. So now, who do you think will be the first? Who do you think will be third? Please comment down. And sorry if I did not enjoy you with my commentary again. And this is also gonna bring the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll meet in Temple Run part number 10. Till then, goodbye.